Hello everyone! Every day, more and more, we can control daily actions thanks to a simple click of our mobile phone. For example, turn on and off the house lights, control the garage door, turn off the oven. But what is the technology behind this, and what else does it cover? Hello, Santi.
Hello.
Welcome to the second episode of our Tech Talks. You are the IIoT solution engineer at ATC Europe.
Mm-hmm.
So please, can you explain to us this technology called IoT?
Hi, Andrea. Thanks for inviting me. For sure, I can. IoT stands for Internet of Things and refers to connected devices and sensors through the Internet, sharing data and information in real time between those devices, and from devices to data centers at cloud. This process is made possible thanks to data transmission technologies such wired and wireless connections like Wi-Fi, 4G, and 5G. About the fact that with all these things instead devices is because anything may become a data generator on internet if you use this technology properly.
And what is the impact of IoT in our life?
Yeah, let me explain a simple example that probably you use frequently. Have you ever thought about that maybe any one of us is acting as an IoT device?
No?
Yeah, yeah. For instance, when you drive a car, how Google Map knows that there is a traffic jam? Is anyone telling Google that there is a problem at the road? Indeed, any one of us, when we are in the road, we are generating data from our mobile phone. We are sending our localization. Then Google services may look for the concentration of those things, like you, your car, and your mobile, in a road point and calculate the speed of those things are moving. So as a result, they can inform you to anyone in real time that is in an issue on the road. And even more, they can estimate as well your expected arrival time, etc., etc. So same technology is applied at the smart buildings, home assistants, smart watches, autonomous cars, etc. Those devices can connect to a global network, internet, and share data to you and as well globally. There are few application cases. Indeed, we are daily users of this technology, and we don't realize that indeed we are things for internet.
Wow, it's really interesting to see how IoT is everywhere, and we don't know it, right?
Hmm?
Well, you already explained about IoT, but what is IIoT?
About IIoT, it means the application of IoT technologies at industry field. IIoT is the integration of IoT hardware and software technologies that connects machines, devices, and people in a seamless and secure way, enabling real-time data acquisition, analysis, and decision-making. With the collected data, we can visualize the behavior of our assets. If processed, it may help to improvement or in manufacturing and production processes.
Let's go to OMRON part. How does it fit in the IoT landscape?
Well, OMRON has been at the forefront of IIoT innovation, offering a range of controllers and other devices that are designed to work seamlessly with connected sensors and other devices. This is a fact that since years ago, we included open, standard, and secure protocols such OPC UA, SQL, and MQTT inside our controllers. Our controller offer is wider. Our solutions may cover from machine-to-machine applications and to machine-to-cloud integration. Our IIoT solution approach makes it possible and easy than ever to capture any data from a process or device and deliver this data to a cloud service in a few milliseconds. This assures a timely reaction and a real-time data analysis from any subjects of a production process.
And how do you ensure this real-time data analysis?
A key point to consider is that that data is available anytime and everywhere. As it is transmitted to internet, it can be visualized and processed from any device connected. For instance, you could see the production of a factory in Mexico, Osaka, Sydney, from here, Barcelona, in real time, even from your smartphone. And it is because the data comes from a data center, from a cloud-based system that is somewhere in the world. Your data indeed could be anywhere, certainly. This ubiquity is achieved thanks to internet. This is the IoT technology and cloud systems.
And related to what you're explaining now, How is it changing the way of business approach at industrial automation?
Well, there is no doubt that the IIoT is one of the cornerstones of the Industry 4.0, as well with cloud computing, data analytics, robotics, AI, and machine learning. The final goal of industry digitalization is that from machines to processes, being connected more and more each other and to the cloud systems will become more autonomous, intelligent, and interactive to us. This technology will enable the factories to become a true smart factory, helping to a better decision-making on our processes. This creates a powerful and valuable weapon when combined to other tasks on the factories such ERP and supply chain, offering a level of visibility and insight never achieved in traditional manufacturing. With our IoT solutions, we can help to any manufacturing process on optimizing their operations, reduce downtime, and increase efficiency.
And what type of businesses can benefit from using OMRON's IoT solutions?
Well, indeed, any business that relies on industrial automation can benefit from using OMRON IoT solutions. This includes business in a wide range of industries, including manufacturing, logistics, and energy, just to mention some of the most popular, but eventually any kind of business that requires traceability, data analysis, and continuous supervision. We have been succeeding on applying IIoT technology in pharma industry, automotive, food and beverage, as well in other fields such as e-mobility. We have been succeeding also well in other cases not related to industry. For instance, when we have applied as well in agriculture, in facility supervision, in buildings, or in services. Believe me that the scope of the business that IIoT solutions may fit is huge.
And how does OMRON ensure the security of its IoT solutions?
Yeah, it is a good question because, as you know, Internet is the wild west of data systems. There is a lot of threats when you connect to Internet, such identity fraud, data sniffing, or even data alteration. In this direction, OMRON takes data security very seriously, and its IIoT solutions are designed with security in mind. OMRON uses industry standard encryption and authentication protocols to ensure that data is transmitted securely and only can be accessed by authorized users. This is a must-have when need to connect our solutions to our cloud systems. And of course, our solutions are ready to connect your data securely.
And talking about connections, how is it to integrate OMRON IoT into existing industrial automation systems?
Yeah, OMRON controls are designed to integrate easily into existing industrial automation systems from a factory level. We use standard communication protocols such IO-Link, Ethernet IP, EtherCAT, FINS, Modbus TCP, but this is not much different than our competitors indeed. But we are one step ahead. To connect to the IoT world is needed well-known protocols such MQTT, OPC UA, SQL are protocols for IoT. OMRON offers all-in-one controllers full-featured for IoT. Those are perfect connection pieces to achieve a fast, easy, and reliable on-factory OT to IT communication. So our controller may play as an IIoT enabler devices on machines, collecting information from existing systems from input-output level, and as well by using the existing networks as I mentioned before. Finally, we can wrap up this information to IT systems such OPC UA, MQTT, and SQL.
OPC UA, SQL, MQTT, this rings a bell on me. Trendy words nowadays, right? Can you explain to us some features regarding on these concepts?
Yes, for instance, with OPC UA, we can share not only the data, but its context in a very structured way. This protocol enables the connectivity from machine to machine between the different vendors and to machine to IT. It makes ideal to be shared with in-factory IT systems like SCADA, MES, and ERP. With SQL database connectivity, we can directly record data history from wherever to a database. So it makes ideal for tasks on traceability and business intelligence. And with MQTT, we can connect thousands of devices from our controllers and to a cloud system, making possible a complex data collection network growth without matter where are the assets located in real time. It is ideal for big data storage at cloud and for real-time data acquisition.
And what types of data can be collected and analyzed using OMRON's IoT solutions?
Our solutions can collect and analyze a wide range of data, including machine status, temperature, humidity, variation, or indeed whatever you can imagine. But eventually, any kind of data from the manufacturing process involving sensors and devices, and as well production values, are candidate to be sampled and to become a source of valuable data that can be used to identify inefficiencies and opportunities for improvement, as well to optimize process quality and reduce downtime.
In our first episode, I don't know if you have listened to it, I hope so.
Sure, yes.
We talk about predictive maintenance and how important it is nowadays. Can OMRON's IoT solution be used for predictive maintenance?
Of course, OMRON's IoT solutions can be used for predictive maintenance. Indeed, it is one of our strengths. We have a control platform and devices that fits very well for that purpose. By using IoT communication protocols, we can send massive data in real time for the whole process to a server hosted at cloud. There, at cloud, by using machine learning services and other tools available, the system can identify when a machine is likely to fail and alert operators or to a control center, prompting to perform a maintenance. In addition, even it may trigger an automated maintenance task, such request and deliver spare parts for replacement, or even plan a stop for executing the maintenance works. This is what I mentioned before, that when combining IoT-provided information with supply chain and ERP, it can minimize the troubles for maintenance, reducing the downtime machines and improving the machine and asset availability.
And Santi, to conclude this interesting interview, I would like to come back to the name. Industrial Internet of Things. Could you tell me 3 things to summarize the importance of this great concept, which is still growing and evolving?
Yes, indeed, there are many words that can be used to summarize the feature of this huge topic, but I will like to remark maybe those ones. The first one is connectivity, second is everywhere, and third, anytime. Remember what we say in our previous podcast, that who has the data has the power, and our IoT solutions give you access to this power anytime, everywhere.
Well, thank you so much,
Thank
Santi,
you.
for this conclusion, and for sure, thank you, Santi, for being here today. It was really interesting and very pleasant to hear from you. And for the rest, our tech listeners, as usual, see you the first Monday every 2 months. Goodbye, Santi.
Thank you very much. See you. Bye-bye.